Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an oval picture in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make an oval picture in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and choose the oval shape. Then draw the shape on this page. Now we want to insert picture to this oval shape. Go to the Shape Format menu. Click the Shape Outline option, choose No Outline. Then go to the Fill option and choose Picture. Then choose Picture from our file. Then insert a picture. Now I insert this picture. Then click the picture. Now we can see we make an oval picture this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.